Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Dimas Pratama dengan NPM 244111112. Di video ini saya akan menjelaskan salah satu materi dari mata kuliah ilmu ekonomi makro, yaitu Macroeconomic, Understanding the Big Picture. Macroeconomic is the study of the economy as a whole, focused on broad issues such as inflation, economic growth, and unemployment, unlike microeconomic, which examines individual market and frames. Macroeconomic analysis aggregate phenomena to understand how national and global economic function. This presentation will explore key macroeconomic concepts, their measurement, and the values used to influence them, providing a comprehensive overview of the forces shaping your economic landscape. What is GDP and why does it matter? Production. GDP measures the total values of goods and services produced within a country borders over a specific period, typically a year or a quarter. It includes everything from manufactured goods to services like healthcare and education. Income. GDP also reception the total income earned by all factors the production in the economy, including wage, profit, rent, and interest. This means that every dollar spent on good service becomes income for someone else. Expenditure. Alternatively, GDP can be measured by summing of all expenditures in the economy. Consumption behaviors, investment by business, government spending, and net export minus imports. Gross domestic product is the most comprehensive measure of a nation's economic activity. It provides crucial insight into country economic health and growth trajectory or rising. GDP generally indicates economic expansion and prosperity, while a failing GDP success are instruction, policy markers, and economic closely monitor GDP to make informed decisions about monetary and fiscal policy. Understanding GDP is fundamental to grasping the overall performance and structure of economy. Inflation, cause, effect, and control. Demand fall occurs when aggregate demand in economy outweighs aggregate supply, leading in increased price often happens during periods of strong economic growth and high consumer spending. Expectation. If consumers and businesses expect price to rise in the future, they might demand higher wages or raise price themselves, creating a self-fulfilling prophecy. Cost push. Result from an interest in the cost of production input, such as raw materials or rubber. Business pass the higher cost onto consumer through increased price. Monetary. When there is too much money circulating in the economy relative to the supply of goods or service, the value of money decreases, leading to higher price. Inflation refers to the rate at which the general level of price for goods and services is rising, and subsequently the purchasing power of currency is falling. Moderate inflation often see a sign of healthy economy, encouraging spending and investment. However, high or falling inflation, car or saving, reduce real wages and creative economy uncertainty, making it difficult for businesses and individuals to plan central bank of targets to specific inflation rate to maintain price stability. Unemployment, debts measurement, and policy inflation. Frictional temporary unemployment as individuals transition between jobs searching for new opportunities. Research collect While looking for the first job, structural long-term unemployment due to a mismatch between the skill of job seekers and the available jobs, often caused by technological gaps of certain industry. A coal miner losing their job to the difference in their coal industry. Physical unemployment that rise and fall with the business result in increases during economic downturn, recession, and decrease during inflation. Construction workers laid off during an economic recession. Unemployment recession and first state of the labor force that is actively seeking employment but unable to find a job. High employment rates can lead to reduced consumer spending, low economic output, and increasing social welfare costs. Government and central bank implement various policies to mitigate employment, such as job training program, stimulating economic growth, and providing employment benefits. Understanding different types of employment helps in designing target and effective policy response. Monetary policy. How central bank influence the economy. Interest rates. Central bank adjust baseline interest rates, inflation, borrowing cost of commercial banks, and by extension for consumer and business. Lower rates encourage borrowing and spending. Open market operation. Buy or selling government securities to inject or withdraw money from the banking system directly impact the money supply and short-term interest rates. Reserve requirements. Setting the minimum amount the reserve bank must hold against deposit, lowering requirement free up more money for lending, increase the money supply. Quantitative easing. In times of crisis, central bank may purchase large quantities of government bonds or other financial assets to inject liquidity and lower long-term interest rates. Monetary policy reflects the action undertaken by a central bank to influence the availability and cost money and credit to help promote national economic goals. The primary object and often include maintaining price stability, maximizing employment, and moderating long-term interest rates. Through various tools, central banks, like Federal Reserve or the European Central Bank, aim to control inflation, stimulate economic growth, and stability financial markets. This policy have a profound impact to investment, consumption, and overall economic climate. Fiscal policy, government spending and taxation. Expansionary fiscal policy, used to stimulate economic growth during a recession or slow down this influx. Increasing government spending is or structure education or defense with directly both accurate demands. Raising tax, leaving more disable income for consumer and business, encouraging spending investment. This often leads up to a budget deficit but aims to reduce unemployment and increase the GDP. Contractionary fiscal policy, used to curb inflation and cool down overthinking economic disinflux. Decreasing government spending, which reduces aggregate demand. Increasing tax, reduce disposable income and slowing down consumption and investment. This typically leads to budget surplus or reduce a deficit but curb slow economic growth. Fiscal policy informs the government decision regarding spending and taxation influence the economy. Is powerful to manage aggregate demand, stimulate economic growth, and address employment of inflation. Unlike monetary policy which controlled central bank, fiscal policy determined by legislative and economic budget of government. The effectiveness of fiscal policy can be debated with consideration of timing, positional feasibility, and potential crowd-out effect on private investment. Ancient rates and international trade. Ancient rate dynamics. An ancient rate is the value of one country currency in relation to another. Fluctuations are driven by factors like interest rate differential, economic performance, political stability, and market speculation. Impact on trade. A stronger domestic currency makes import safe and export more effective, potentially leading to a trade deficit. Conversely, a weaker currency makes export more competitive of import prices. Trade balance. The balance of trade, export minus imports, is a significant component of a country's GDP. Exchange rates play a crucial role in determining a nation's competitiveness in global market. Economic growth, determinants, and sustainable development. Profit growth, employment in efficiency and effort for workers of driven by technological advancement, better management practice, and skilled labor. Technological innovation, development and adoption of new technologies enhance production capabilities and created new industries, acting as primary driver of long-term growth. Human capital. Investment in education, healthcare, and training improve the qualities of the workforce, leading to higher productivity and innovation. Sustainable practice. Focusing on environmental protection and resource conservation ensures that economic growth does not deplete national capital, safeguarding future prosperity. The business cycle understanding economy. Expansion, characterized by increasing employment, economic growth, and upward pressure on price, business trade, and consumer confidence is high. Peak, the highest point of the business cycle, where economic growth reaches its maximum. Inflationary pressures may become evident. Contraction, recession, a period of economic decline marked by falling GDP, rising employment, and decreased consumer spending. A series of prolonged contraction is a depression. Drought, the lowest point of business cycle, where economic activity hit its bottom for recovery begins. Employment is typically at its highest. Macroeconomic challenge and future direction. 1. Income inequality. Growing differences in wealth and income pose significant social and economic challenges, affecting consumer demand and social. 2. Climate change. The economic impact of climate change, including extreme weather events and short safety, demands significant investment and policy state. 3. Technological disruption. Automation and AI transform labor market, requiring adoption in education and workforce development to avoid structural unemployment. Global interconnectedness, economic shock in the country, and rapidly spread globally, requiring international cooperation and robust financial regulation. Baik, itu saja penjelasan materi dari saya. Saya ucapkan terima kasih. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.